Makiksuunan ko, kaban ako sa gobyerno, mga bisita maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Bisaya day tanan. Kanang nahapnan ko kay I had so many things to do. There has been changes in the cabinet and I had to fill it up immediately because the peace process cannot wait. Secretary Dores has resigned and I accepted his resignation the other night. It is not, I would not venture anything against Dores, but yung karamihan dito and the many times that I have fired so many people in the recent days because yung corruption sa baba. Itong mga assistant secretary, pati secretary. So, it runs into billions. Kaya, siguro si Jess, under the principle of command responsibility, whether you really know about it or not, you have to assume full responsibility. I like the show of Delicadeza. It's good, and it is you honor yourself with a kind of behavior. Na itong dalan dere, historically, I know a lady sa other side in Cagayan. Ingon siya nga mo anhi sila dere sa Osamis, mulabang pa sila og dagat. And it takes hours. Now, it's about 2 and a half. But with the, maybe, inshallah, mga 2021, pag mahuman it cuts the travel by 20 minutes and make it easier for you to start the whatever kind of business na darin dapita. Wala man po ko nakita gaayong lobby mura siguro ang sabi kusog rin nga ibaligya siya po na po siguro
komprami dari sir komprami pero sa sulod
dari sa norte pero akong tambag ninyo ba. I'm not trying to condemn anybody. But the fact is that for so long a time, you allowed a despot and his business to thrive for so many years. Kamong taga Osamis, and a lot of you within the peripheral communities, nahibaw mo there was this evil man who was destroying our country. And ang uban, nagnansyalan and wars ni Apil Pag to go out of Mindanao to deal with the trafficking of drugs. Wa mo kibaw sa social cost na. And for those people who are listening here who claim to be human rights, ang inyong makita ragyod ang papel sa kapil. Duterte kills, ang uban 70,000 daw, ang uban 20. But the figure that the police is willing to admit kay mo na magina ilang trabaho is about 4,000. Assuming nga 10,000 o 20,000. Mura na 20,000 ka Pilipino nangamatay. Is it all about the death of one person? All in all amounting to 20,000? Unya nakita ninyo panahon ni Bato, thousands and thousands of people were surrendering to the authorities. And because malala na masyado, they just surrendered and went back to their own merry ways. Ang problema dito sa probinsya, you allowed, I said, despots to rule your politics and your way of life. ang kadaot pa ani kay kaning mga mayor nga putang ina nila, pinapatay pa nila yung mga polis nila. Pinapatay pa nila yung mga MIG dito na who were doing intelligent work. Until now, we cannot find their bodies. Ganon kadala, using the platform of a public office, using the money of the government to destroy his own people. Muna yung nakadaot dyan. Di ta magkasinabot eh. Because once you go into drugs, you destroy my country. Once you feed my daughter and my son with drugs and you go crazy, you are destroying the next generation of Filipinos. Therefore, I will not hesitate to kill you. Putang ina, wag talaga kayo pumasok dyan. You may be able to earn today 1 million, paint your house with money, pero puta, pag naabutan kita, patay ka talaga. Lahat ng mayor, hindi ko na masabi. Kaya mga preso, mapag ko. Pero, kasi hindi ako yung Duterte ng Cebu. Duterte ako ng Mindanao. Ang nanay ko, Mindanaoan. Tatay ko, Cebuano, Danao. Pero dili ko parehog taga Cebu ng pitsugi ng Duterte. Putang ina, wag kayo magkamali sa akin. Well, I'm ready really to even to go to jail after. I don't mind. I'm old. And if I can save my country the last many years, ubusin ko talaga kayo. It's my promise to God. When I go out, halos ka ng mga big time, mga mayor, mga barangay, hot doon tagid mo. One way or the other, maigo yun mo. Either malibang mo, o maligo mo, o nagkaon mo, galakaw mo, ay you are a dead man walking. Prangkahan talang mudaan. Mo po ni ang mga rebelde. I'm tired, sick and tired of your style na kanang pamatyo ninyong mga sundalo mauli sa pamilya. At nga ninyo sa terminal, pag-abot sa truck, inyong sakyan, inyong pusilon. Basigway armas. So karon gitagaan ako tanang armas ang military. Ang ilang weapon is the M16. That is the primary weapon. Tagaan ako silang baril. Ang kanang mga pulis, ang primary weapon nila, ang ilang sidearm. Sometimes they're issued with M16. So we are trying to build a nation. Dako kaya ng kwarta. And we should thank the Republic of Korea. So we are trying to build a nation. Dako kaya ng kwarta. And we should thank the Republic of Korea. Ila ni, regalo nila ni, naapa sila dagang ihatag. You know why? Well, I'll tell you. Many of you might be really wondering, getting the meat of the matter of why ang Korea, Japan, ngano ni sila? Because Japan is committed and is allied with the United States. So is Korea. But Korea has a special attachment to the Filipino people. You know why? We fought in the Korean War. And a lot of Filipinos, 700 pa. Sila Ramos, Presidente, died. Sa Vietnam, joined protest sa Amerika. Pero America seems to be a distant star to me. I cannot understand the way they behave. Pero ang Korea is always there to help us. kanang airport dato ni Anto, that's a Korean project study. Ako ganing akong airport luma na kaayo. By the standards now that they are building, I don't know if Tugadi is here. You wait until si Secretary Villarreal, iparada niya ang among build. Na mga dalan niya o mga bridges nga wa na'y katapusan. Those are the product of the build. Nga wa magyamakit an og maayo ni mga oposisyon. Basi unsay imong buhaton ngilad man lang hiwi. But kamo ba total ako may inyong gihimong muling ko diha government worker sa national government. Tanawa ang among achievements. And by no means it is not just pag iparado na ako karong December puro November sige kong opening gabi dito may sa Panglao. Ang Panglao is a beautiful airport, mas gwapo pa sa Davao, kalimaon ang Davao. Pero baya ako ha, tingnan ako Secretary Villaran everybody na pag-assume na ako tablatanan. Unaha ang ubang lugar ipahuli mo yung akin kasi ayaw ko ng salita. And even in the subdivision where I live, the last road to be cemented yung amin. Sabi ko, simentuhin mo na muna lahat. Pag naubos na, then akin. So wala akong hiningi na priority. Well, India has been talking separately with the Japanese and the Koreans, but hindi yan akin. It does not reflect my thinking of how I want to distribute the money of the people. Nauna kayo. Wala pa kami. Just to show that para may masulti pabor-pabor nga presidente unahon ginang. That's the usual complaint. So I made it a purpose really to just hang on to my projects, my own citizens. So igo-igo lang ta. Pero kanino kamong mga komunista, well, ang akong giingon, magsige mo og pang Sparrow, giingnan ako ang gobyerno, pagbuhat tag Sparrow pod. Kung sabay maayong Sparrow, galangga man na. Pirok-pirok squad. Para dili mo na pwede. So I'm putting notice to everybody. I will follow them. I will field assassination teams also to kill them. Sila ba di kamao? Ngayong human rights, human rights. Sige lang mo istorya diha.